I'm going to take a quick overview of the MacSynchronizer. Let's open up a .sync file. Loads up, and let's take a look at the search function. So it's pretty typical. You can type in some text, it'll search, find all the matches. If we pick a line, it'll jump us to that point and play it.
I have been treating patients
I'm going to just down arrow through the list.
In what?
Yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I did.
And so that's searching. Clips, looks like we have a couple of clips from working on it previously. I'm going to just add a new clip. I'll come in here up at the beginning. What's your fetal specialty? I'm a neurologist. So I selected these two lines. I'm going to add them to the clip list. It's placed it in there and named it with the text of the first line. If I want to rename it, I can double click on that line and field of specialty, call it that. We also can rehearse the in and out points and trim them, nudge the beginnings and endings forward and backward in time a little bit with these sliders. And this is really helpful on longer clips where the clip might be 5 minutes, but you can quickly rehearse that in and out point. We also have a redaction feature. I can pick a line. I'll just click on the line number here, selects the whole line, and click on redact. So that line is redacted. And if I come up to the line before and play through, we should jump right over it.
Where do you want me to begin? Okay, starting with medical.
Which it did. Okay. Presentations are a way of grouping together clips, creating a multi-clip, if you will. So I can come down here, Command A, select them all, drag them up, and double click. We'll call it Pres 1. It shows us the total duration and then the clip elements. We could also, for instance, if we just wanted a shorter version of that, drag that up. We now have a second presentation that's shorter. Short pres. And these are visible in our full screen presentation mode. And similar to clips, you can go onto the left edge and click in this left edge and play either the whole presentation or any individual clip. So I'm going to have to pause and reframe this so we can see a full screen presentation. Okay, so we're in the full screen mode here. The video will appear, the subtitles beneath it. There's some options. When you get the mouse down to the bottom, you get a little control bar that pops up. I should mention that in a dual monitor situation, you don't need to use this menu at all. You can do everything, all the playback and control from your main screen, and this will be just for presentation. Let's take a just quick look at playing back a longer clip in the presentation mode. I'm going to go back to the primary monitor where the synchronizer is running and click on one of the clips.
Do you have any medical or scientific publications?
And the playback starts with the first line.
How far back you want to go. There's one
scrolling according to our scroll mode.
The American Journal of Physiology back in the 1970s on carotid sinus baroreceptors.
And that's about it. Thank you.